This video is an introduction to Google Drive File Stream. So we're going to talk about what it does, how to set it up, and 3 reasons why you might really like using it. First of all, Google Drive File Stream allows you to view all of your Google Drive files on your computer like you normally would through File Explorer. So if you're on a Kermit ISD computer, you're going to notice that Google Drive File Stream is already installed on your computer. This is really great because there's no reason why every user shouldn't take advantage of it all the time. Let me show you what it looks like once it's set up. So once you've set up Google Drive File Stream, when you open File Explorer, which is that little folder in the lower left-hand corner of a Windows computer, you'll see you might be used to seeing like your H drive or an external hard drive or a flash drive. And you'll also see a G drive now once it's set up called Google Drive File Stream. It allows you to interact with all of your Google Drive files right here on your computer in a traditional way, something you're used to. If you feel frustrated using the browser, or it's just a little bit different using the browser and you'd like to use this format, you are welcome to do it. You can access the exact same files, the exact same Google Drive here. So let me show you how to set it up. It's incredibly easy. You set it up once and it's set up forever on that computer. So the very first time you open it, you're going to go to the Start menu, and you'll see a program called Drive File Stream. It's called Google Drive File Stream, but it's just listed on the Start menu as Drive File Stream. And the first time you run it, it will look a little bit like this. It'll have a login window where you enter your email address, tell it next, and add your password. And that's the only time you ever have to set it up. The very next page, you'll click Allow. And you may actually have to scroll down. I want you to notice you might have to scroll here on the right side to get to the Allow button. Once you click that, it's done. It's set up automatically every time you log into your computer. So I can go to My Drive on the left side, Google Drive File Stream, My Drive. I can see all of my Drive files right there. It automatically syncs. So if I edit those in the browser, I have the new version available here. If I edit them here, I have the new version available in the browser. I can even copy and paste files as you traditionally would by selecting them, copy and paste. I can also go to my Team Drive. So if you're someone who uses Team Drives, you can access all of your Team Drive files here as well. So it's a really great way. If you're used to accessing in the browser, great. If you prefer to do it this way, great. No reason why you can't use both every day if you choose to. I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I think it's really great and why I think you really might like using it. First of all, it looks and acts like a normal hard drive. So if you're used to using a flash drive, an external hard drive, you've got access to that right here in a traditional way that you're used to. If you're still copying things from your H drive, you can literally come to your H drive, select all of your files, right click, copy, come over here and paste them into your Google Drive File Stream, and it's done. You've moved all of your H drive files over. But also, if I'm in my drive in Google Drive File Stream, down at the bottom, I'm going to open up a document. See how this says G.doc file? It's a Google document. If I double click that and open it up, it opens up, because it was a Google document file, it opens it up in the browser, which is really fantastic. I can edit my file here just as I normally would in the browser, but I can have a file. Notice this one says it's a Microsoft Word document file. If I open up the Word document file, it opens up in the native application. So if it was an Excel file, it would open in Excel. If it's a Word file, it opens in Word. If it's a PowerPoint file, it opens in PowerPoint. That gives you a great opportunity. If we're used to uploading it and adding it to the browser, that's fantastic, but a lot of times it'll ask you to convert it. Sometimes you don't want to convert it. What's really great is I can open up this file. I can make any changes I want to, and I can just click save, and it will save it to my Google Drive. Now I'm using my Google Drive to store the file, but I'm using Office to open the file, which is really powerful. Also, you can attach files a little bit more easily. If you've been frustrated attaching files, let me come over here to where I've composed a message. If you're used to going to insert from your drive to attach a file as an attachment to an email, that's fantastic. You can insert the drive link or as an attachment. It's your choice. But if you're frustrated by that and you feel like it's always asking you, do you want to share it? You don't want to share it. You just want a traditional attachment. Now that I've installed Google Drive File Stream, I can go to Attach Files. And on the left side, I can choose Google Drive File Stream, find any file that I want to attach, and now it becomes a traditional attachment onto the email, just like we're used to. And again, if you're a Kermit ISD user, this program is already, Google Drive File Stream is already installed on every Windows computer in the district. So if you're looking for it there, you just go to the Start button and Drive File Stream, set it up once, and then you're set up forever. And then it's easy as opening up your File Explorer, and you'll see Google Drive File Stream listed on the left side.